Hey everyone, have you ever struggled with selecting multiple pictures in a Word document? Well, today I'm going to show you a super quick way to do it. Let's jump right in. First, open up your Word document that contains the picture you want to select. Now, here's the simple trick. You don't have to click each picture one by one. Head over to the Home tab at the top just like this. Next, click on Select in the editing group. Then click on Selection pane from the drop-down menu. This opens the selection pane on the right where you can see a list of all objects in the document. You'll notice each picture is listed here. Now you can hold down Ctrl plus key and click on each item that starts with picture to select them all at once. Or if you have lots of images and want a faster way, just click on the first picture, hold down Shift, then click on the last picture. And voila, all your pictures are selected and you can now move or format them collectively. And that's all there is to it. No more clicking on each image one by one. Give this trick a try next time you're working with images in Word.